H2KInfosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2KInfosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2KInfosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
The relationship field allows users to click on a lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The other object is the source of the values in the list. Okay, so now it's nothing but it's going to create a relationship between the two objects. I click lookup. Next. So which object you want it to be related? Okay, select the other object to which this object is related. So let me take something. Custom tab to custom object. Okay, next. Child relationship name. Child relationship name means it's a custom tab, right? So it's going to look up in the custom object. You will see that relationship name. It's saying custom tab only. This object name itself. If we want, we can change, but it's easy if we have the same object name here, so we can recognize easily. And lookup filter, I will explain later what is this lookup filter. So in simple, it's nothing but if you click on that lookup icon, we will get list of records to be selected. So in that list of records also, we can have a filter so that which satisfies the filter, those records only will be displayed. That is a lookup filter. Click on next. Same read, edit, both access. Save. Custom tabs. Okay, it will take some time. Custom object. So I have related these two custom object, right? So whatever object name is, so I have related that records we will see here. So it's a custom tab is the object where we are creating this one. Okay, custom tab is the object where we are creating record. Now I am relating this object with custom tab with custom object. So what is that object? You can select that records. These are the custom object records, name, one, or number. If the record is not available, you can click again new custom objects, create object. We can create object like this. And that will be appended here. Click on save. So if you observe, see, object is created. I mean, custom object record we have created, and we have a associated connection between custom tab 1 and custom object record. So now once if you observe this, it is showing like this. It's showing as a link, not just as a value. Okay, just observe the difference. It is not showing as a value, it is showing as a link like this. So if I click here and open, I can open the custom object record, this record which I have created just now. It will go to that record. In the related, we can see the custom tab one. Again, we can come back to the custom tab. Okay. So lookup field is used to create connection between two records, two objects, where the lookup value, whatever we are giving the record, it is a link to the respective record. We can click on it, it will redirect to that record, object and record. In the related list, we can see the related record also in the custom tab which we created. Any queries in this lookup? And how to create this lookup? Click on new, select lookup data type, click on next. To which object you want to relate, you can select that one. Say I am just for exam explaining purpose, I am just giving like this. So in real time, you'll be having a correct relationship and everything. Okay. I mean to say, as per the business will have some logics, right? So as per that logic, the lookup relations, if needed, we will be creating. So lookup to some particular object. The store or whatever. For next, child relationship. In the store, we will see this related list of this object as custom tab. That's it. It's just object name. Shows the object name there. Even here also, in the lookup, it could be required, it could not. So it's how we design. Similarly, like a fields, if we want to be as required, we can make it as always required. No, don't want, we can remove it. Okay, that is one option. And the next thing, what to do if the lookup record is deleted? Okay, now what is this means? What does it means? If you go here, lookup recorded is this one, right? So what the system is saying, if we delete this record, what you want to do this existing record? What changes are you expecting here? Here, what we are saying, don't allow deletion of lookup record. That's part of lookup relationship. So what two options we have? The second one is it's saying do not allow deletion of lookup record. That's a part of lookup relationship. So it's saying do not allow deletion. It will pop up an error. Okay, that is one thing. Or the other thing is clear the value of this field. You can't choose this option if you make this field required. Okay, so it's if we say clear the value of this field. Now, if I delete this record, this value here will be blank. Okay, that is another option. One is okay, you have deleted the record, agreed. Okay, you can clear the value in the lookup. Okay. The other thing is don't allow deletion of the lookup record. That's part of a lookup relationship. It's not asking, saying okay, do not delete. Two options are there. Here again, if I make it always require a value in this field, then this is going to automatically take don't allow deletion. Okay, that means the record is always required, right? So it should be some value for this record to be available. So that's what it is saying. Don't allow deletion. So either in the lookup field we can make it mandatory, or we can ignore. You can do no. You can remove this mandatory also. Layout as a read and edit access. It's a mandatory field level mandatory, right? So it's going to be available for everyone. Store is the lookup one. Wait for some time. See, it's a mandatory. While creating the field, we made it as a mandatory, right? So it's for sure we have to provide value. Maybe I'm not having access to this object. It's not showing. Let's try directly. What is this store? What is this object first of all? Is it a standard object or what? Okay, it is having some purpose. So we, as of now, I can't create records here. See standard object. So we don't know what is this purpose and web store it is. So let's take some other object rather than taking some standard object. We'll take some meaningful one. Lookup. Next. Relate it to tab one, maybe. Making require. Read access is there. Next. Save. Take some time. Oh, meanwhile, I will remove this store also because it's a mandatory it is showing and we don't know what record to be given. It's a standard web store object, so we are not discussing regarding those objects. Go to fields and relationship, store. I'm deleting that field at all. If we delete a custom field also, the same thing. It will have 15 days time to restore and all like that. We'll have 15 days to undelete this field to restore the field and all data stored in it. And after that time, it and all data stored in it will be automatically permanently deleted. 15 days time. After we delete it, we want to know where are those deleted fields. Is it deleted fields? You can see here. If you want to completely erase, click on erase. If you do undelete them, restore them, we can click on undelete. Saying erase, it will be completely permanently deleted. Delete. Fields and relationship. Now I'm going to, store is not there, right? So I can go to this one, tab, click on new. Tab 1. Right, look up to tab 1. We created the field, but it's not yet visible here. It's not. It is custom tab. Custom tabs. Log out and log in. Another tab 1. Same thing. The record is not available. No records. I'll create one. save. Here again, the name of the custom tab one, whatever name, and save. Mandatory, we have to provide value. If it is not mandatory, we know it's no need. Record will be created, saved, even though if you not provide value. So that is the difference between mandatory lookup. Mandatory lookup, it's not a mandatory lookup. Okay. So any queries in this lookup? You have any queries in the lookup?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, just try from your end. We will again discuss this lookup concept tomorrow because we have a continuation concept called master detail. Okay, once you click on new, lookup and master detail. So there is some relation between these two fields also. We'll go through this lookup again, and we'll go through the lookup filters and also a master detail, and how a lookup can be converted to master detail, how we create a master detail. Okay, there is a complete concept in these two, how it works and all. We will again discuss this thing, but just to have an idea on lookup, whatever we have discussed, it is enough. Just try from your end, just create a lookup field and relate it to any object and see if the field is visible, and then try to associate a record to the related object, and see if you're able to save the record. Make it mandatory once and remove the mandatory, and try all those, and just you'll get some hands-on on this lookup. Then we will discuss further topic again on lookup and master detail, both combination. Master detail I will explain, again the combination of both. Okay. So once you are good with these two, then roll-up summary also will come. So I'll explain roll-up summary. Then we are good with this fields. External lookup, I'll explain. It's a relation to external object. External object means the object is not in Salesforce. It's an external data source. The data records will be in the external system, not in Salesforce. That is related to external object. I will explain to some extent here. Yep. So lookup and master detail. Now go through this. You go through this, create, and again I will explain this and master detail. Okay. For now, I'm going to next topic, page layouts. What is this page layout first of all? Okay, the custom tab, right? So let me go here, custom tab. Okay, so this is a record. Okay, page record. So what fields you want to see? What fields, if you want to see, if you do not want to see this field, okay, we can remove. But I'm not saying to delete, I'm saying just to remove. Okay, so that is controlled, those things are controlled by page layouts. Okay, whatever fields we are seeing here, we have created fields and we are seeing them here. If in case I don't want this field to be visible here, yes, we can remove it from the layout. And again I'm repeating, we are not deleting the field, we are just removing it from the layout. Okay, the values will be there, the field will be there, it's not going to affect those, but it won't display in the UI. That's it.